Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to mirror a selection in Krita. First, use any selection tool to select the area you want to mirror on your canvas. Krita selection tools work on pixel area, so you target only the part you want to flip. Once your area is selected, activate the transform tool by choosing it from the toolbar or pressing Ctrl T or Command T on Mac. With the transform tool active and the selection highlighted, look in the tool options docker. Near the bottom, you'll find flip icons, one for horizontal mirror and one for vertical mirror. Alternatively, you can right-click on the selection with the active transform tool, then choose mirror horizontally or vertically. After flipping, you can move the mirrored selection to its new position by dragging it before confirming. When you're happy with the placement, press Enter, or click Apply in the tool options to finalize the change. And that's how you mirror a selection in Krita. Thanks for watching.